Hey tech buddy, what's up? Today we're checking out the brand new Realme 16 Pro Plus. So yeah, let's jump right in. Starting with the design, the Realme 16 Pro Plus feels solid and well built. Depending on the variant, it weighs 198 or 203 grams with a slim 8.5mm profile. You get a glass front, an aluminum alloy frame, and a plastic or silicone polymer back, which improves grip. The Realme 16 Pro Plus features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. It delivers up to 6500 nits peak brightness, a sharp 1280 by 2800 resolution, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. In short, it's a display that truly stands out. And powering the phone is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, built on a 4nm process. This chipset is designed for smooth daily performance and efficient multitasking. On the software side, the phone runs Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16, with the promise of up to 3 major Android updates. Camera performance is a big focus on the Realme 16 Pro Plus. The main camera is a 200-megapixel sensor with an f1.9 aperture and OIS, aimed at delivering detailed photos and stable videos. There's also an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and a 116-degree field of view. For zoom, you get a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom, f2.8 aperture, and OIS, a rare feature in this segment. Video recording supports 4K up to 60 FPS, along with HDR, gyro EIS, and OIS, ensuring smooth footage. On the front, you get a 50-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture, which should be great for sharp selfies and video calls. And the Realme 16 Pro Plus pack a massive 7000 mAh battery, easily capable of lasting more than a full day. Charging is fast with 80-watt wired charging, and you also get 13.5-watt reverse wired charging, which lets you power other devices. Or the Realme 16 Pro Plus comes with 8GB RAM with 128GB and 256GB storage, and a top variant with 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated with the latest in tech. Only on Pixel Into.